Alesha Dixon's husband Azuka Ononye has worked with a variety of top music artists such as Madonna, Sade and even Whitney Houston. But who is Azuka and what exactly does he do? Here's everything you need to know about a creative director. 1. Azuka met Alesha as a dancer on her tourCredit, the mega agency. Who is Alesha Dixon's husband Azuka Ononye? Azuka Ononye was born December 14, 1980. He is best known for his work as a dancer, creator, director and choreographer. He has worked with the likes of Sade, Whitney Houston, Madonna, Duffy, Pixie Lott, Estelle, Ashanti and Cheryl to name a few. Azuka's advertising credits include major brands such as Guinness, Captain Morgan, Nokia, T-Mobile, Specsavers, Superdrug, ESPN, Sky, DFS and Argos and many more. When did Alesha Dixon and Azuka Ononye get married? Alesha and Azuka got married in 2017 after meeting on tour. Speaking on their relationship on Giovanna Fletcher's podcast, Alesha shared, "We met 10 years ago, and he was the first person that I'd met, that I knew that we could have children together because of our values, our morals, our thinking aligned." The thought of having children with someone who could do something toxic or show them something toxic that I saw as a child frightened me more than anything in the world. How many children does Alesha Dixon have? The couple welcomed their first child Alesha Ononye back in October 2013. In May 2019, Alesha revealed that she was expecting another baby during an episode of Britain's Got Talent. Their second child Anaya Sophia was born to the couple in August 2019. Who is Alesha Dixon's ex-husband Harvey? Alesha got married to English rapper MC Harvey back in June 2005. The couple split up a year later after Alesha discovered Harvey had cheated on her with singer and his then West End stage co-star Whitney Houston. Harvey went on to have a relationship with Whitney and they welcomed a daughter called Angel in 2008. They later broke up following allegations that he had cheated. The So Solid Crew rapper made headlines again in 2016 when it was revealed he had abandoned his child and wife of 2 weeks to be with another woman in the US. He was also suspected to have been romantically involved with Katie Price back in 2018 after they shared innuendos.